Alrighty, guys and girls. Well, we do have a new video for the day, and it is a long-time sponsor, Lighting Trends. We are going to do, let me get it out here. We are going to do wheel lights on the Denali here. So if you don't know, I do have them on my limo. I'll go ahead and put up some clips of that.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
So as you can tell, my kids absolutely love it, and my girlfriend's kids absolutely love it. And again, driving down the road at night or driving when you go to get gas and things like that, you flip on the lights, everybody likes it. So why not? I decided let's just do the Denali. Plus, I think with these chrome wheels and the white, it's going to look absolutely killer. If you do look in there, you can see this one is already installed. But I want to go ahead and do like an install for you guys and show you guys just how to do it. Do it the easy way. I'm going to actually show you on the other side because there's actually more light on that side. As you can tell, because obviously the sun's over here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on this side here, but I'm going to finish up the other side and then I'll pick back up sort of a step-by-step. It's super easy, but we'll do a step-by-step on how to do it on these, how you do it on the rear versus how you do it on the front, because the front is a little bit different than the rear. So with that being said, let's get to work. I've always wanted to see if I could do these. All right, let's get these on. All right, now the ring. Holy cow, this is going quick. There's no way this is gonna work. Damn. All right, so I still gotta run the wires and everything, but man, it is really going quick here. What? Lug nuts too? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rear here. So how I do it is super simple. You can use self-tappers or you cannot. The ones that are on the limo have literally been self-tapped in there for about 6 months now. I haven't had 0 issues, not one back out, not one issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and use self-tappers. These are going to be the mounting hardware. So you're gonna use the little hook down onto your dust shield here, and then we'll bend them into place. But I put them as far as you can do. I'd say probably like on the back one, the dust shield goes the entire way around from here to there, so you can kind of spread them out a little bit, make them even. In the front, however, you only have like a quarter of a dust shield. The dust shield begins here and then ends here, so you really only have like this area here. And you can see on this side, the mounting is basically from right here to here. So that's the mounting on this side. And again, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You can do it however you want. This is what works for me, so that's what we're going to do. Once we get up to the front, I'll show you that one. But let's get back here to the rear and I'll go ahead and install them. The rear, you can see on this side, I have them evenly placed apart. There's one here, one here, one here. You can see it there and here. So they're all for about the same distance apart. Now, did I measure it 100%? No, but they're good. They're in the right spot. And when you're done, it'll look something a little similar to that. But let's not get too far ahead. Let's get back over here to this side. Those on there. Now what I do is I go ahead and bend them at the rotor here, because that goes ahead, and once you pry it out, that will give you your, to me so far on all the installs I've done, it gives you your proper distance that you need to clear the rotor here, and for it to, you know, flow well. So again, bend it a little bit. You'll have to make it so that it looks 100% right and fits your vehicle. but the dust shields will bend a little bit. You can see that it's perfectly straight. This one, same thing. You can pry your dust shields back a little bit, but that's how I go ahead and ensure that it looks good going down the road and is centered in the wheel. Could be right, could be wrong, who knows? But there you have it, that's that step. Now let's go ahead and get our ring installed. All right, so to install the ring, it probably would help if you had 4 pairs of channel locks, but I think sometimes it would hurt, and I think this step is going to be the easiest step to just use one. You can pull all that blue stuff off. It will come off down the road. I don't need it. It doesn't matter, you'll never see it. Peel it off now, you don't have to look at it later. All right, so what I like to do is I like to start in one spot. Now I'll go underneath, about there. Get it to about where I think it's going to be the best suit for the look and to be even.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play,
Give or take. I think that's going to be about it here. And then I'll clamp this down. And then I'll kind of move these ones accordingly to that. And again, they bend very easy. They're just cheap little aluminum things here. So that's that. This one I gotta go up just a tad. This one up a tad more. And now I'll go ahead and start that one there. So this strip here, obviously you want to keep clean the whole time. And I put it up on the running board, which is dirty. I shouldn't have done it, but it is what it is. So now what you'll do is you want to match the other side. There are arrows on here. Not sure if you can see. They face forward. I did something a little bit different on this. I'll show you once the video is done what I went ahead and did. But I did it because I wanted to try something different on this one than the limo. I don't know if it's gonna look cooler or better or worse, but who knows, we'll find out. You guys will have to be the judge of it, and you'll see if you'll notice it, because I'm not gonna tell you what I did different. But I always try to put this right about the center at the top of the wheel, because it's a little harder to see. And then you peel your tape.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never.
And just like that, the rear is done, minus the wiring. And again, this ain't gonna go nowhere. Again, there is a gap there far enough apart that you will not have too much heat. Now, yeah, some heat will go, but not anything crazy. Not anything that's gonna make a difference or ruin the lights. So let's get the front done.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the search. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in creeping up from the heathens? Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceiling.
There you have it. Super simple install. And I've got to admit, I'm not a huge fan of the lights, as you guys all know, but they don't look terrible. I don't mind them. The kids enjoy them. I'll enjoy them. So there you guys have it. I don't think I said it at the beginning of the video, which I will put it on the screen at the beginning, but if you guys use promo code SENDIT, you'll actually get 10% off anything you order from lightingtrendz.com. So definitely check them out. First link in the description down below. As always, huge shout out to Rough Country, even though they didn't really do anything but make the thing look good in the air. And comment, like, subscribe. I will see you guys in an upcoming video. I'm going to roll some footage of having some fun the other day. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.